So today we are going to learn about difference between original mode and enhanced mode acknowledgements. This plays very important part even while you are trying to troubleshoot any particular error. So it's a very lengthy topic. I find my best ways to explain it to you. So I'll start explaining it in a very simple and lame example. So before learning about original and enhanced mode, you should know about what is acknowledgements first. So initially when I was learning HL7, I don't know what is acknowledgement, so I was very much confused. So it took some months for me to understand what was going on. So I'll make it very easy. Acknowledgements. For example, this is a sending application and this is a receiving application. When someone is sending a message, the receiving application should acknowledge saying with some code word. For example, I'll just draw something. This application says hi, okay, and drops a message to this particular application. It can be application or anything. So what should this application says? It should reply back saying anything, or it can say hi. Even this is acknowledgement. So acknowledgement nothing but two-way communication. When one application is sending any message, it should acknowledge. If it is not saying anything, the acknowledgement has not been done. It can say hi, how are you, anything. Okay, I'm unable to draw it over here. How are you, anything. So that is what acknowledgement it is. So we learned about acknowledgement, but we need to learn about what is original mode acknowledgement and enhanced mode acknowledgement. We'll learn it in a simple way again. So for example, I'll copy some sample message. Okay. Uh, okay. So what happens? The sending application sends this complete message. Okay. This application is sending to this application, and the response is okay. It has responded. Okay. I am highlighting it. That is original mode. Think it as of now. Means in a very simple way, it has responded okay. Now, what we'll do in the enhanced mode, we will send the same message from one application to other application. In the enhanced mode, the response would be enhanced. Okay, it looks good. You can improve in language or change the language. Anything, it can be anything, but the response is enhanced. So that criteria you should very much understand the difference between original mode and enhanced mode. Original is nothing but a simple acknowledgement saying that okay. Enhanced mode is nothing but enhancing the details in it, or if it requires anything, if there are any errors in the message, it will explain deeply about the errors and everything. So the best example again I am going to give is the below. So in real time, when a message is sent in the original mode, the acknowledgement would be something like this. This is an HL7 message. I'll just enhance it. This is nothing but the response message. What I'll do, I'll just, yeah. So this is an MSH segment and with an MSH segment. So this is a basic acknowledgement which any particular uh, receiving application will send. But in the enhanced mode, the application will even send the error which had happened, what are the details inside that particular error, like data field missing in the pit segment and everything. So it has more details. Sometimes, for example, even you can see this is a segment, error segment. So there are like more other details in it. So that's the basic difference between original mode and enhanced mode. And there are like lot of examples which I can give. And I just don't want to confuse you going deep into the topic right now. There are like lot of things inside it which we are going to discuss further. So you might be asking why we are using original mode. Why can't we use completely enhanced mode everywhere? The problem is like when we are trying to send the acknowledgement back, it should be as minimum as possible so that the sending application will understand okay, it has been received every time if we are using the enhanced mode with more details in it, so it's unnecessary to send the extra packets of data to the sending application, and it can cause delay or it can cause like waste of time. So the lot of things in it, so the process should be as smooth as possible without any delay. So we'll be using original mode, but if there are any situation where we have a lot of errors and a lot of issues which should be discussed and which should be sent to the application one over here, we'll be using the enhanced mode. It's all about our requirement. Again, in this mode, there are like a lot of concepts like AE, AR, different type of error, and what are the acknowledgements which we are going to receive. We are going to discuss it. But to make it very simple, original mode, just an acknowledgement saying the message has been received. Enhanced mode, it has more enhanced details sending the acknowledgement back. These both are nothing but the acknowledgements. We should remember that it's not an any HL7 message which passes the patient data, but an acknowledgement. So this part would be whatever it is we are discussing. This is the part, not this one, but this is the part. Thank you.